Hello guys, good day to you all. Welcome back again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new in my channel, my name is Heli. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you watch this my video from the beginning to the end, please don't forget to subscribe, like and turn on the notification bell for me. Please, and drop a comment how you see this my delicious nyomi, egusi and the pounded yam. So for my returning subscriber, I appreciate you guys for being there for me, for always watching my video, for your support, for coming around always. I appreciate you all. May God of mighty bless you all in Jesus name. Guys, stay tuned and let's see how I made this my delicious egusi soup and pounded yam. Let's get started. So guys, these are my ingredients I want to use. As you can see, I have a melon here, I have bitter leaf. This bitter leaf is a fresh bitter leaf. This is my goat meat. I just want to cook it a little because this our house, my husband, they eat soup 2 times. So I want to cook it little. This is my onions. I will just to boil it. So this is my fresh square fish. So my pepper and this is my pepper. I have pepper, crayfish because I just grind it together. Because if I say let me do it different, I will not remember. So this is my Maggi cube, my salt. Guys, my ingredients, you can see everything is ready, so we need to start now. So take the meat to the pot, add my salt inside. So I will add my Maggi cube, this is my red oil. I forget to this is my palm red oil, so that I will use to cook the egusi soup. So I add my pepper into it. So now I will add water. Add my water. So I cover it up. I wait for some minutes. So before the meat ready, so I need to watch this my melon, because guys, if you are cooking if you want to cook egusi, you need to wash your melon very well. So this is my bitter leaf. I need to do it with hot water so that the bitter will come out, because I never even wash them first. So it's my granite melon. I already grind it. As you can see guys, my bitter leaf is still watching. So meat, I need to check my meat if it is ready. So guys, you can see this is my husband's favorite soup, and this soup, I say favorite, you can only just eat it one day. Just one day, eat it once. For example, I cook it in the evening, so you eat it in the evening. The next day, you don't need this soup again. They don't like eating hot soup. I don't know why. So I had my microfish inside. As you can see this, as you see this soup now, this soup I'm going to treat it with, because as for me, I don't too much like anything swallow, you understand, because of the fat. I don't too much eat swallow or soup. I can only just eat it twice in a month or once in a month. So as you can see, our meat and fish is ready. So I want to remove it now and put the pot. If you can able to try this how am I going to say, pattern or style? If you try it, you will see how it look like. Just try. You just say everybody have the old way or making his food or preparing his food or cooking his food, we could not take anyone when I know say correct for inside. You know, say everybody get your way to prepare it. So this is my whole pattern way to prepare egusi soup. You understand me? So I had my onions. I will not put my goat meat now, so that the oil enter inside the goat meat. You know understand? You know how it be. We know how it be now. The oil go enter so that it goes circulate, enter inside. You understand? So I will fry. I'm joking, guys. I love joking always. If you are following me, if you are watching my video, you will know I'm always joking. So oil will enter. I like oil to enter inside this goat meat so that it will soak oil before I add my melon inside. So guys, like as I said before, just try this my pattern. If you try it, oh god, you will know what I'm saying. Just give it a try. Just try it. So now guys, I need to add my melon inside. So add my grinded melon inside. So you know the reason why I don't like grinding my melon dry, because you know say this melon wey they carry, they come for Africa. You understand me? Nobody know where they carry and they come. I mean, how they break the melon, where the melon follow. You understand me? So I need to watch the mede wey they say come out. I need to watch the you understand me? This I need to watch the come out, so that because I don't like to the grind I don't like to grind it like that. You understand? Because nobody know where they sun it, nobody know how they do it. You understand? So I say that person is not where you buy it, it's not your family that brought it, or your mother that just break it on her own and bring it to you, or you are not the person that break. Even though you are even the person that break it or your mother that break it, I prefer washing it before grinding it. You understand? I wash it with warm water so that what they made come out before even grinding it. I can't try it to grind dry. You understand? So our soup is getting ready. I see I've already had my bitter leaf inside. See it, guys, see the way it is. You see the way it look like. Wow, it looks so yummy. It looks so yummy, even though you do not taste it. For the face alone, it look attracted. Come here, you to come and join me, guys. Come and join me. So I had my water, my meat water, so that the melon would done. See, it's almost ready. So guys, just come. Let me test you my address. So I will add my Maggi Q inside now. Let me send you my address, guys, so that you come and join me, because I can't eat this alone. As I said before, that this soup I'm going to treat it with, because my husband will even quarrel with me that it's too much. I don't even expect that this soup will be like this before, because I just want to prepare just once, because my husband don't like eating soup. Let's say, for example, I cook the soup today, he spent 3 days. See guys, our soup is ready. Oh, I can't wait to eat this soup with padanya. It looks so yummy and delicious. If you watch this my video from the beginning to the end, I appreciate you. May God in heaven bless you abundantly, give you all your heart desire, give you what you ever wish. In Jesus' name. Please, like as I said before, don't forget to subscribe, like, share my video, and drop a comment how you see this yummy, delicious egusi and pounded yam. So for by returning subscribe, I appreciate you guys. May the good Lord continue to bless you all in Jesus' name. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.